Hello, welcome to our Pivot to Online Teaching and Learning course. We're going to be working together for the next 4 weeks. My name is Enoch Hale. I'm the director of our Center for Teaching and Learning here at HSU. This course is an asynchronous course. We have some calendar frameworks to work within, but wherever you have an internet connection, a computer, we can work within it. So I just want to tell you a little bit about myself. I started my teaching career in 1998, and fortunately I was able to do so as a high school teacher. That gave me a lot of solid groundwork, particularly in how to manage a class. And I transitioned to higher ed in 2008. And since then, I've been teaching graduate and undergraduate courses, face-to-face, hybrid, online. And yeah, I generally approach teaching and learning, and I would say this course definitely, from looking at the what and the how. What is it that I want students to learn, and how am I going to get them to do it? What skills, insights, dispositions do I want to cultivate? And what methods, practices, tools do I have to move them in that direction? So this assumes the why, of course, and I spent, frankly, most of my career studying the why. So when we move forward, my hope in this class for you is that you walk away with some concrete things you can do, immediately things you can work on. And some tools that you can explore and try. And another hope here is that you walk away with some questions. Questions you're like, yeah, this is something I want to explore further, new points of view and perspectives. I would argue that teaching online is fundamentally different than teaching in a face-to-face classroom. The context is different, even though the students are the same. We have different tools ways of interacting with those tools that we have to think through. We have different forms of communication and establishing social presence and calibrating expectations that we have to think through in an online environment that is different than in a face-to-face environment. So I'm honored to be working with you in this process. All my contact information will be there. I'm going to send out a little welcome note. But to get started in this course, just press the start button right below, and we'll see you in the digital world.